Llama 3.1 is just great. It's open source and beats many leading large language models. Hosting it on our own would be quite the challenge, so today I thought I would explore the option of using Cloudflare Workers and Cloudflare AI to work with Llama 3.1. Before we start, I need you to like and comment on this video to help with the algorithm. With that out of the way, let's get started. First of all, let's create a new project to house the Cloudflare Worker code. Workers are the serverless platform offered by Cloudflare. We can use npm create Cloudflare, which we'll call the Cloudflare CLI tool, and set up the boilerplate for us. After selecting a few options like TypeScript and setting up a Git repo, we will be prompted to deploy our worker. I will accept this option in order to make sure that all is working well. A few seconds later, we'll be able to open the deployed worker and it will give us an hello world. With this done, let's now work on bringing Llama 3.1 into our code. The current code displayed will show you essentially just the hello world, so we'll go ahead and do two things. First, I will go and enable the AI features inside the wrangler.toml file. This file is a configuration file that lets Cloudflare know which features your worker will use. What you will need to do is enable the AI bindings to ensure that Cloudflare connects this to their inference network. Then we'll head to src/index.ts. This example shows you how you can perform two kinds of inference tasks. The first one is to have Llama 3 answer a simple prompt directly. You can pass in an object with a prompt, and then you call env.ai.run with this as your argument, and you will have the prompt answered. You can also opt in to pass a whole conversation, which is a format that was standardized and popularized by OpenAI. Here we see an example creating an array of messages and who they come from. The first message is the system's instructions, which you can use to tweak how the model will behave and influence the outputs. Let's go ahead and give those a try. First, start your development server with npm run dev. This will give you a localhost URL to try it out. Opening it up will show the results of our two AI inferences tasks. Great, but now let's actually change this code so that it accepts messages from HTTP requests that are sent to the worker. This should make it a little bit more useful in the full application. Now let's deploy this using npm run deploy, and after a few seconds, we have the URL deployment and we can test it with a curl to see that we have a functioning API with Llama 3.1 instruct. So there you have it. You can now go ahead and deploy Llama 3.1 on your own on Cloudflare within just a few minutes. Hope this was useful and please subscribe to the channel.